Total Real opens with a fresh and invigorating blend of artemisia, aldehydes, freesia and gardenia, providing a sharp green and slightly floral introduction that energizes the senses. The heart of the fragrance reveals a complex and captivating mix of chrysanthemum, jasmine, myrrh, marigold and cardamom, adding layers of floral, herbal and spicy nuances. This combination creates a rich and multifaceted middle that enchants and intrigues. As the fragrance settles, the base notes of umber, sandalwood, cedarwood and patchouli emerge, offering a warm, woody and slightly earthy foundation. This ensures a deep and lingering finish. Total Real is a sophisticated and well-balanced incense fragrance that evolves beautifully over time, providing a serene and meditative experience. Performance elements of Total Real incense fragrance. Longevity. The rich and multifaceted composition of Total Real ensures excellent longevity, with the fragrance lasting throughout the day and well into the evening. Its complex layers of notes provide a long-lasting presence on the fabric and in the air. Sillage. Total Real offers moderate to strong sillage, creating a noticeable but not overpowering aura around the wearer. The fragrance's intriguing blend of notes ensures that it leaves a memorable trail without being overwhelming. Projection. The fragrance has a balanced projection, radiating just enough to be appreciated by those nearby while maintaining an intimate and personal scent experience. The top notes provide an initial burst of freshness, while the heart and base notes unfold gradually. Season. Total Real is versatile and suitable for year-round wear. Its fresh and floral opening is perfect for spring and summer, while the warm and woody base notes provide comfort and depth suitable for autumn and winter. Occasion. This sophisticated and well-balanced fragrance is ideal for both day and night wear. It is perfect for casual outings, professional settings, and special occasion, offering an adaptable scent profile that suits various environments and events. Type. Total Real is a complex and multi-layered incense fragrance with green floral, herbal, spicy, woody, and earthy elements. This makes it a unique and intriguing scent that stands out in any setting. Style. The fragrance exudes elegance and sophistication, making it perfect for those who appreciate a well-crafted and intricate scent. Its balance of fresh floral and warm notes creates a timeless and classic appeal. Mood. Total Real evokes a confident, serene, and contemplative mood, making it an excellent choice for moments when you want to feel grounded and composed. The fragrance's complexity and depth create a sense of tranquility and introspection. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply 0.5 ml per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.